From the looks of the thumbnail, you probably all have a number of questions. Now, the only reason I'm doing this video is because over the years, I've gotten hundreds upon hundreds, if not thousands of comments referring to one of my mannequin heads as Richard Ramirez, the serial killer, the Night Stalker, and in no way am I praising him for what he's done. We all know, if you look him up, absolute psycho. There's videos of him. However, this mannequin, I do believe now, is him, okay? Now, the reason I'm even posting this video is because people are actually starting to refer to this mannequin as him. You're all saying, oh yeah, I'm growing my hair into the Richard Ramirez type of haircut that you have, and I can't believe it. You people are crazy. So, please, let me know in the comments below if you think this is him, okay? When I did this haircut, I had no intention, I didn't even think about him or this hairstyle or kind of putting the pieces of the puzzle together and making it try to look like him. But one, like this video if you think this is literally him, okay? Now, he did have longer hair, this kind of style, but longer. But for some reason, everyone keeps saying it's him, okay? If you feel that, so like the video. If you have your hairstyle like this, like the video. Now, in order to get a hairstyle like this, and please take him out of the picture completely because he was not a good person. Take him out of the picture. If you want to keep referring to this mannequin as him, that's fine. But this is a layered haircut, okay? This basically was a straight-haired mannequin. This in no way was permed, is naturally curly. It's all a straight one-length kind of mannequin that I cut to create layers on. All of this hair is all layered. You're probably saying, Salon Guy, how did you get it to look curly? We can even go a little bit closer. How did you get all of this in here? The curls, the wave, the texture, how on earth did you do this on a straight hair mannequin? And I'm trying to explain to you that you all can with the use of two things. One, you've seen this a million times, tidal wave, right here. Tidal wave, my sea salt spray. When your hair is damp, okay, you get out of the shower, just towel blot it lightly. Don't rub a towel all over, make it all frizzy. You simply spray 5-6 spritzes of tidal wave into the hair. Do not comb it. Do not brush it through the hair. Let it just sit and fall onto the hair naturally. Then you take my blow dryer, which comes with the diffuser. It's also great for travel size because you can fold it like this. And it's ionic, it has the magnetic attachments. It also comes with the nozzle. Everyone keeps buying these, so I really appreciate it. And then what you do, put it on the lower heat setting, and you literally just scrunch the hair and use the diffuser to squeeze and scrunch like this. So you're grabbing the hair and almost scrunching like that, and then let the diffuser hit it. Do not ever, ever, ever take your hands and run your fingers through your hair or do anything like that because it's gonna make it absolutely a big mess. And then what I would do is at the end, okay, of the blow dry, I would just take 1 or 2 more spritzes of tidal wave, let it fall onto the hair. Again, do not try to, make your hair go all over the place and run your fingers through it and make it all wild. It's gonna make it a frizzy mess. Again, this was done on perfectly straight hair. Also, what's just as important is the haircut itself. You can see there's some length that comes down to the ear, the length down through here. The layers on top, the hair is probably a good about 4 to 4.5 inches long. But the key is that it's layered. It's a fully rounded, layered haircut that literally is just scrunched. So if you're looking for a hairstyle like this, again, I'm not trying to be the Night Stalker. But if you are trying to do a haircut like this, then this is how you do it. So please do it at, what I said before. Like the video if you think it's him. I'd love to know. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.